See if there's any orbs on here.
Yeah, there is a few orbs.
Sure it's not dust?
No, look at them.
Well, I don't see anything right now. Oh, you touched me? Who touched me?
That could be dust because it's all going in the same direction.
Oh, there's a lot of dust.
You come over here and scratch Taylor? Scratch Taylor.
There's a lot of dust.
I don't get dust on mine. But that K2 is sure gone off.
What's here? I'm gonna break this thing down with this hammer right now.
Oh no, big dude.
Damn!
Oh shit.
Yeah, I heard like dust or something.
That was my dad.
Right.
I'm making some noise in here.
Damn, damn. You don't want people knowing we're really in here.
I know.
He's tearing down your train.
I'm a miner.
You can scratch him.
You can bite his neck.
You can kick his ass.
Call him the way back again. Tell him to kick his
Come on.
I wonder if we should try going in that cemetery.
The really cool.
The only thing is, I don't know if... Usually they don't have somebody living in the cemetery, but I don't know that one very well.
At least we know our vehicles won't get locked in them.
Yeah.
That happened to us in Knight's Ferry.
But yeah, the Brentwood Cemetery is not very far from here.
Yeah, we were in there before it was closing times, and then when we walked out to leave, a person locked the gate and all our vehicles were on the inside, so the fire department had to come take the lock off. The guy didn't even check, and where he locks it, you can see all our cars. We have 3 vehicles.
Yeah,
He still locked it
there.
and left.
That thing keeps going off and down.
Come on, show yourself. Come towards my light.
Come on, buddy.
Is this your train?
Come to the light. It's all healing.
This train's gonna be lit on fire by somebody.